Hello students, this is the video which we are making to help you use Google Meet for problem classes and question classes. So let's start. So first of all, we'll go to WhatsApp where we have given you the link for the app. So let's go to WhatsApp. Here it is. And you can see the school contact and open it. On the bottom you can see this is the Google Meet app link and you have to click on this. Then it will take you to Google Play Store where this app, Google Meet app, will be shown and you have to click on install. So it is installing now. It is a small app, will install quickly. It is installing. Okay, it is installed now. So now you have to click on open and it will take you to the app. It will say welcome to Meet and you have to click on continue. Then it will say allow Meet to take pictures and record video. Then you have to click on allow. Then it will ask allow Meet to record audio. Then you have to click on allow. Right, then it will ask you which ID. So just select whatever ID is shown. I'm selecting this. Then this app opens and in the top you can see your video running. This is the button to turn on off the video. This is the button to turn off audio. You can see like this, video is off, audio is off. So this is the audio which you are sending, your microphone, your mic. Okay, and on the top this is the icon where you have to select speaker. See, you have to select speaker. Okay, so whenever in the class you have to keep the video on and microphone off. Okay, only turn on the microphone when it is asked to be done on. So now we'll join the meeting. All right, now let's go to the meeting link. It will be sent to you on the WhatsApp only. So this is our WhatsApp and this is the meeting URL, meeting URL. This will be the problem class URL. So it will be sent to you before the class and you have to just click on this like this and it will show you these options. So first of all it is saying meet, then it is saying Chrome. So we have to just select meet and click on always. Okay, so it will take you there to the meeting app. Here again you can see your video on, right? Then you have to turn off the mic. Okay, keeping the video on and you have to click on ask to join. Okay, and here we go. This has connected to us to the meeting. All right, so here is the meeting and this is how it will turn on, right? And you, whenever you want to speak, you can just click on this and speak and then turn it off again. Then there is this option, if you want to send some message like this, you can send. So this was all of connecting to it. And to disconnect, you can click on this call disconnect button, the call disconnect button, and it will end the call.